Do you want to know how you can log into your Northumbria student portal? If yes, then this video is for you. Hello and welcome to One to Step. It's your host, back again with yet another interesting tutorial video. In this video, I'm going to teach you how you can log into your Northumbria login portal or your student portal. Go ahead and open your Chrome or Edge browser, and in the Google search bar, search for Northumbria student portal. Click on the first link which appears on your screen. It will take you to the official page of Northumbria University, Newcastle. Go ahead, scroll down, and you can find this link over here which says please press here to access the student portal. Click on this link over here and it will lead you to the official login portal of Northumbria University. Go ahead and write down your Northumbria username, the password associated with your login portal, and then click sign in. This way you can successfully log into your Northumbria University account. If you have forgotten your password, this is the link for you to recover your password. I hope this video about how you can log into your Northumbria student portal was helpful for you. If you still have any kind of confusion, please do mention us on the comment section down below. Like the video, subscribe to the channel, and do hit the bell button for more. Hope to see you in the next video as well. Until then, goodbye, take care, and make sure you enjoy.